Do you know how KFC was created? It's a story about never giving up. It all started with a man named Colonel Harland Sanders. He had a dream. He wanted to share his delicious fried chicken with the world. Colonel Sanders didn't have it easy. He faced many challenges in his life. He had lots of different jobs. He worked hard to support his family, but he never gave up on his dream of cooking. Now the Colonel had a secret weapon, his incredible fried chicken recipe. This wasn't just any chicken, mind you. This was the result of years of perfecting, of tweaking and tasting, until it was absolutely spot on. Juicy, crispy, bursting with flavor. It was a culinary masterpiece. He knew he had something special, something that could change his life. This recipe wasn't just about food, it was about hope. It was a symbol of the Colonel's belief in himself, in his ability to turn things around. He was determined to share his creation with the world, to bring a smile to people's faces with every bite. This wasn't just a business venture for him, it was personal. He poured his heart and soul into every batch of chicken he made. Imagine being 65 years old. Most people think about retiring, but Colonel Sanders was just getting started. He had an idea. He would travel around and sell his fried chicken recipe. He believed in himself and his recipe. He knew it was something special. He packed up his car and hit the road. He drove from restaurant to restaurant. He offered to cook his chicken for them. He hoped they would put it on their menu. It wasn't easy for Colonel Sanders. In fact, it was really hard. He heard no more than 1,000 times. Can you imagine that? Restaurant owners didn't like his recipe. Some laughed at him. He could have given up, but he didn't. He kept going. He believed in his dream. He knew his chicken was delicious, and finally someone said yes. A restaurant owner agreed to try Colonel Sanders' chicken. People loved it. It was a hit. That was the start of something big. That's how KFC was born. Colonel Sanders became a success because he never gave up. His story teaches us an important lesson. Never give up on your dreams. Believe in yourself even when things are tough. You never know what you can achieve if you keep trying.